Hi there. If you go to lamps.google.com and you go to the Experiments tab, you will see experiments available that Google is testing. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You can go specifically to those experiments that are related to search. We're going to click on that link that's going to bring you to the Google Search Labs experiments. One of the newer experiments from Google Search Labs is audio overviews for search. What you can do is you can turn on this element for your account. Once it's turned on, we can click on. Try an example. Audio overviews will be available when Google Search Labs gives you an artificial intelligence overview. For example, if we go to this element, we scroll down the bottom, you may see some other results. What you'll want to do is you'll want to then click on this element that says Generate Audio Overview. Click for your specific search. You will then see the audio overview for this specific search. In AI Overviews, we can then click on this AI Overview.
Ever wondered how those noise-canceling headphones magically silence the world around you? It's not really magic, it's actually some pretty cool science.
Right, it's a combination to react and create the opposing sound wave.
So the best
It'd be more expensive than regular headphones, but if you really value peace and quiet,
So you can hear and see the audio overviews for this specific example search. If we do our search query, you'll notice here if we scroll down to the bottom, we can now see an audio overview of our search. We can click on Generate Audio Overview and Google will generate audio overview. You will notice then that Google will tell you how many search results this is based on. You can then listen to your audio overview.
Ever feel like you're working super hard in your online marketing, but the results just aren't there? Like you are pushing a bull.
okay, why? Maybe you don't have a social media strategy. Boom, there's a potential constraint.
Okay, I see how that.
You can also click on the speed. And if you want to speed or slow down the audio overview, you can do it here in this area. So this is an experimental feature for Google Search that you can listen to an overview of the search results. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.